with those at Waterloo, might as well if I'm what to do, whoever you are, shit on level 2. You wanna get, just wanna style.
Recording a little bit late, but we're running the Easy 700 V3 Kyanite today, and we're running on Wrath, Ganesh, Dashi, and Mech.io, and hopefully we'll do well. Let's see, the stock just went live. I'm still in Splash at this moment, so let's see if we can do well. That's a problem, not passing Splash. Oh, I already got a checkout on Ganesh. Oops, I didn't even see that. Oh, let's go. We got one on Wrath too. Yeah, we got one on Wrath. Spa proxy coming in clutch right now. Let's go, another one. Okay, that's not bad. Finally start getting some. Alright, I'm gonna set my limit to around 5 or 6, I think. Just because my Capital One credit limit is really low, and I do want to save money for tomorrow. And I know that's ambitious. I don't even know if I can get 6 yet, but let's see. Let's go. Ganesh got another one. Okay. Sorry guys, that was a little hectic, but I went into this drop's intention trying to go for a little bit, not for going as hard as we can. Just because I want to save my resources for tomorrow when they have the foam runner dropping. And luckily for us, we were able to cop 6 already on Easy Supply. And adding to the first one I copped on Undefeated, we have 7 pairs of this 700 V3. And I think that's enough for us. Okay. I might go for the KISS drop because I'm going to use actual credit cards instead of the VCCs that I use with Capital One. So go for that and then save the rest of the resources for tomorrow. All right, I think that's all we have for Easy Supplies, and stay tuned for the rest of the drops later on this week. Okay guys, so we have one more drop on the Easy 700 V3s. This is going to be the drop on Kith, and let's see if we can do well. Processing. Let's go 1 and 2. Boom, right there. Yes, sir. That's great. Oof. Nice. Thank you, Wrath. Still never fails. Let's go. All right, guys. So today we have the very highly anticipated Easy foam runner drop. Last time they dropped it, it was the Ararots. I can't remember the exact name of it. I don't know if I know how to pronounce it right, but that was a shock drop and I wasn't able to cop any. Being it a very low retail shoe of $80, this shoe has done amazing in terms of resale. So we're gonna go full throttle on this particular shoe. There's 2 colorways dropping, the white sands and then the moon grays. Go as hard as we can. Hopefully we can do well on those. We got most of our best Easy Supply bots running, and then my wife's running on the other computer as well. So let's hope we can do well, and fingers crossed we can get as many as we can, max out our credit cards. Let's get it.
Here we go.
Oh, we got past Splash now. Okay. Oh, you already got to check out. She already got to check out. She didn't even realize. Oh, Ganesh, let's go. Ganesh got me one. Ganesh got me a size 15. Oh no, I don't know what to do with a size 15 now. Wrath is passing splash. That's good. Oh, I'm only seeing it on Discord, so you can't see it. Oh, nice. She got another checkout. She got a size 6. Yeah. Dude, her Wrath is better than my Wrath right now. I don't know. I think her Wrath is doing a lot better than mine. I finally got a cart. Let's go. We got another one. Yes, sir. Oh, let's go. Wrath got us another one, too. We got 2 on Wrath here, 2 on Wrath there. Let's go. Let's go, another one. I got 3 now. Keep getting checkouts. Let's go, another one. Woohoo! I got 4 on mine. Yeah, you got a checkout. Let's go. She got another one. We got 8 so far. Oh, we got a Carter here on Ganesh. Dude, Wrath is just balling right now. What the hell? I cannot believe this. Oh, you got another one? Yeah, I see it now. Size 10. She got another one. Okay. So you got 4, I got 5. That's 9. Let's go, another one. That's 10. Alright guys, so we got one more drop ahead of us. We have the Kith dropping the easy foam runners. I'm running on Wrath. My wife's running on the other Wrath. I'm gonna see if we can get a couple more here. Fingers crossed. Let's get it. Right, here we go. Let's get it. Ooh. Let's go, we got 2 processing. Submitting shipping. Let's go, we got 1. Let's go, get another one. Come on, 2. Let's go. Come on, let's get another one. Let's go. 3. Let's go. Let's go. 3. Yeah. Alright guys, so it's been a pretty eventful day. Let's do a quick summary on everything that happened today. We started the day off with the easy supply drop on the easy foam runners. My wife and I were both running. I was running Wrath, Ganesh, Dashi, and MechAIO on my desktop, and my wife running another copy of Wrath on the other desktop. And together we were able to cop 11 foam runners on easy supply. So that was a pretty good drop. I think I wish I could have done better. I think there were definitely some Gmails that need to be switched out during mid drop to pass more splash. I think that was something that I've learned, and I'm gonna try to incorporate that in my next easy supply drop. Wrath and Ganesh held it down for us again. I've seen people copying like 30-40 pairs on Ganesh, and I think I'm still tweaking that setup a little bit more. So that one I definitely need to be a little more mindful of. Seems like Ganesh is definitely doing really well on easy supply, so we gotta, you know, take that advantage of that as we use that bot. So then comes the Kith drop. My wife wanted to try Shopify, so I went ahead and set it up for her on Wrath, and then I was running Kith and she was running Kith. Unfortunately, this is the first time running on Shopify, and for her to actually trying to get used to the H CAPTCHA and then solving the H CAPTCHA itself, answering the questions, solving the H CAPTCHAs, it was a little too much for her. But luckily for me, I was able to cop 3, and I messed up on one of my emails. I used the catch-all for one of the accounts. Although I have 3 different addresses, one of them got canceled because it was a catch-all email. So unfortunately, I was only able to come up with 2 pairs of the moons on Kith. So either way, we ended the day pretty well. We got 13 pairs total. Can't complain, you know. Adding the 9 pairs of the Kyanites we got yesterday, total we have over 20 pairs of Yeezys in the last 2 days. So overall, I would say it's a very successful week for us. I didn't really go for the Supreme drop, just went for some of the tees. I don't think, nothing really eventful there. And then I didn't really have time to run for the Supreme Air Force Ones. I was running it at first, but then because of the site issues, I had to jump onto a call. So I decided to just say, you know what, forget it. I already got plenty of Air Force Ones and the price is definitely dipping right now. So I went ahead and just decided not to go for that drop later on. So overall, we had a pretty good week. I think this week, physically, definitely feeling a hell lot better. And I think the drops definitely went really well for us as well. I think that's about it for March. March has been really eventful, but I think we're getting ready for April now, where they got more Jordans dropping and maybe some decent Yeezys dropping as well. So I think very happy with the results. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the episode. And as always, if you do like my video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for us, all right? Thank you all so much for your support. And I know you see this, I only spent $1,500 on Wrath so far. That's because I switched computers. I actually built a new desktop and it has been working out really well for me. There's no lags on my desktop at all. And I got a shout out to TKS for helping me grab some of the key components of the PC that I'm building. So yeah, gotta give credit where credit's due. You know, I was able to cop a 5950X CPU via TKS. So yo, that came in clutch, I gotta say. Very, very smooth computer right now. So overall, pretty good. Thank you all so much for your support. And as always, once I got these shoes in hand, they will go on sale on my website, urdenexchange.com. And I hope you guys can definitely check them out. And if you guys do want some shoes, we got them there. Hopefully you guys can buy some as well. Whether it be somewhat of a hold for your investments or just for your personals, I think our price is definitely one of the best prices in the competitive market right now. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. And yeah, thank you all so much. In the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.